BeshoyMiX. Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're going to be unboxing Apple iPhone 11 Pro. This is the latest iPhone model from Apple, and let's begin. Okay guys, now let's check what's in the box. It's a very exciting moment. Wow! It's an amazing color. As you can see, let's keep it aside for now. We will talk about that later. Wow, look at this guys. Let's keep it aside. Let's continue. Opening the box, we got some documentation, paperwork, Apple stickers, and of course the SIM ejecting tool. This phone also comes with 18-watt power adapter, and first time it's USB-C, and of course with that it comes with a USB-C to lightning cable, and last but not least the earphones with the lightning connector. Let's go back to the beast. First impression is the color. It's a really nice color and I really like it. This comes in 4 different colors: gold, space gray, silver, and the brand new midnight green, which is the one I have right here. There is 3 choices for storage: 64 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, and 512 gigabytes. Let's talk about the major thing. It's the cameras. First time in iPhone, triple cameras. They all come in 12 megapixel, ultra wide, wide, and telephoto cameras. It has a really good design, which I really like. It fits with the phone and the color. Something I noticed is that they moved the Apple logo a little bit down, making it almost in the center. Also, another thing is that the back material doesn't leave any fingerprints, which is in fact a good thing. Let's check what else. It comes in a stainless steel frame, which matches the color midnight green, which is really good and I really like it. On this side we also have the silent switch, volume up, volume down. And on the bottom there is the microphone and speaker, and of course the power socket. On this side the SIM tray, dual SIM, nano SIM, and eSIM. eSIM is electronic SIM. You have to go to your service provider and they will add it. There is also another model for China, 2 physical nano SIM in the SIM tray, and last but not least the power button. Now let's talk about the screen. 5.8-inch screen, Super Retina XDR. There is also a bigger version called iPhone 11 Pro Max with the same specifications, just a bigger screen of 6.5-inch and a larger battery. And now let's talk about the notch. They still haven't done anything. It's the same as the iPhone X. We got the microphone and the FaceTime camera. And now let's power it on. Okay guys, it's going to be the end of the video. If you want me to do a tutorial on how to set it up, comment it down below and I will be sure to reply. If you like this video and want more videos like this, please support me by hitting that like button and subscribe. See you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe. BeshoyMiX.